the future! Make some noise! At the largest, let me repeat, the largest gathering of Hispanics in STEM. Yo soy Patrick Pac-Man Perez, and I will be your humble host and MC for the week. Off the top of your head, what is one reason you love to work here? Share it with your neighbor real quick. Top reason you love working here, you got 10 seconds, share it with your neighbor.
Every battle begins within, up here. We talk ourselves out of it, you know, and so many people get in their own way because, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't do this dance move, I can't go speak.
I've had the opportunity to speak to students, corporations, and business owners on resilience, leadership, and goal setting, but enough about me. We are here for you. I have a very important question for you. Are you ready for this? Happy, are you ready? We go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Mindset. 3, 4. Community. 3, 4. Mission. 2, 3, 4. Hey, keep it going. 5, 2, 3, 4. You all are awesome. I love you. Peace and chicken grease. Give it up to your state advisors. My name is Patrick Pac-Man Perez. Don't forget to recycle and call your parents.